How to put money to work. This video will give you the 5 best ways to invest your money. For many people, saving up for a rainy day is difficult. I made this video full of beneficial information so that you can learn how to invest your money. A little disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor and anything I share here is just for entertainment purposes. Please seek professional advice for your investments. The 5 best ways to invest your money are stocks, mutual funds, real estate, gold, and silver. Investing in stocks is one of the most popular ways to invest because it is a good way to diversify your portfolio. However, you should be aware that this type of investment can be risky if you don't know what you're doing. A mutual fund is a type of investment that pools money from many investors and invests it in stock and bond markets. You can choose from a variety of different types of mutual funds including index funds or actively managed funds. Investing in real estate is another popular way to grow your wealth over time. The downside with this type of investment is that it may require a significant amount of time and capital upfront before generating any return on your investment. Gold and silver are also popular choices for investing because they are stable investments over time. These two types of investment have been around since the time of ancient Rome and have shown a lot of staying power. The 5 worst ways to invest your money are investing in lottery tickets, penny stocks, Ponzi schemes, pyramid schemes, and forex trading. Investing in lottery tickets is not recommended as you stand no chance of winning, but it can be fun and exciting to play from time to time. The initial steps for getting started investing. The first step to getting started investing is to open an account with a brokerage firm or bank. This will allow you to buy stocks, bonds, and other investments. You can also open an account with a robo-advisor if you want someone else to manage the investments for you. Some companies offer 401k plans that include company stock as an investment option. If your company offers this option, it is important to read the information about these stocks carefully before making any decisions about them. These stocks can be riskier than others, so it is important to do your research before investing in them. It is important to read the information on a company's website carefully before investing in its stock. This includes reading their financial reports, as well as other information about the company and its business models. Some companies have a lot of investor-friendly policies, such as low or no commission fees or automatic reinvestment, or dividend payouts. It is important to find these companies so that you can put your money into them. Some companies have investor-unfriendly policies, such as high management fees or having to wait until all investments are made before being paid a dividend, which may take a while. If you would like to learn more about investing, click the link in the description below for more information. As usual, please smash the like button and also subscribe to the channel for more great content. The next video coming up has information you will find useful, make sure to check it out. Thanks for watching.